Hey guys, Mike from Metal Tech. Excited to show our new fuel can carriers. Quick little how-to on how to put them together. They're a 3-piece unit that bolt together. You're going to get 18 3/32 nuts and bolts. So I've went ahead and already put in part of a side. You want to put them in all 3 on the side and then 3 there. Put them in loosely, don't tighten anything down so you can adjust. I found it's easier just to put it on its side, push down, hold the nut up. Use your 3/32 hex wrench, get it started just like that. And then what we're going to do is repeat this on the other side, get it put together. Now we're going to move on to the latch. Now your latch is going to match up with the bolt pattern right here, already pre-done in the side of the can carrier. It's universal for both sides. It just depends on how you want to hang which side on the truck. The latch will fit on both sides. So after we've gone through and we've installed our 18 bolts on the bottom to secure the side panels to the bottom tray, you want to go through and tighten everything up. Now it's not a bad idea to put a little bit of Loctite on each little nut before you put it in and tighten it down. And up here, after we've got our latch on, you want to adjust it by just simply screwing it in and out. That way when you go for your latch, comes down over the top, up, secures and locks in place.